So I'm out here and I recognize a familiar face and a familiar Jeep. You guys may have remembered this from a few episodes ago.
That is the first rollover that we've ever had.
We'll probably put that up in the link somewhere over here. But Derek, we're at Oak Ridge. I'm driving by. I see your rig. Last time I saw your rig, it was not in this condition.
Right where the front of that bumper is on that truck. Hey, that was cool. What's up?
I imagine we're gonna see him back out here at another event. We'll see what she looks like at that point.
What happened?
Like the video said, it's allergic to donuts.
It's allergic to donuts. Well, yeah, we know you had the donut. They can go and see that. But let's walk over here and, like, if you could just walk me through what you guys had to do to your roofline to bring this back to somewhat straight.
Basically, the front of it was about right here.
Okay.
So had to totally gut the interior, give us something to go against, and basically push out, starting at the center, working our way forward and back. Try to get this where it was semi-aligned.
Okay.
And on the other side, it put a pretty good dent in the B pillar, which we were able to straighten up. And a little bit of tack welding and a lot of pushing and finessing and hammering.
All right, so if I'm following you correctly, once you got the A pillar straight, that was kind of your primary focus, and then you started focusing on the roof line after that. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then you mentioned tack welds. Where did you have to do the welding?
Well, you can't see it because of the windshield, but the tabs that go on the inside literally split.
Wow.
So once we got it back straight, we had to reinforce and re-weld all that together, and to get the doors back open, and the whole body twisted because the rear hatch wasn't even open.
Right.
The whole body, if you look at the back, you can still see it's still twisted compared to the bumper.
Okay.
The unibody twisted.
Oh yeah, I can see the lines a little bit. Let's walk back here. So guys, this is what he's referring to a little bit. It's maybe hard to see on camera, but there's a little bit of a gap distance there. You can see.
Yeah, you can see it down the back because the bumper's still straight to the axles, but you can see the gap from this side to that side.
Oh yeah, you got your gap to the tail light right here. But you know what, man? The fact that you're out here and you're wheeling at Oak Ridge, what, not even a month? Something like that after the event? Like, how long did it take you to do that?
2 weeks.
2 weeks and you were up and ready to wheel again?
Yeah.
I dig it, man. I would say, guys, that's the life of a real wheeler. You know, my hat goes off to you, Derek, and I appreciate the follow-up video, man. We got a long weekend ahead of us, but we're going to sign off for now, and we'll see you guys on the trails.